Hey guys, today I'll show you how to download the Waze navigation app on your phone. Let's get started. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top and type Waze. Look for the official Waze app, then tap Install. Wait for the download and installation to finish. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store and search for Waze. Once you find the official app, tap Get, then Confirm, then download using Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password if prompted. After the installation is complete, open the Waze app. Allow the required permissions, such as location access, so Waze can provide accurate navigation and real-time traffic updates. You can then sign in or continue as a guest or start searching for your destination. And that's how to download the Waze navigation app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.